It's play good time.
Hi guys, welcome back to Play and Grow Time, and today we'll learn how to count with
Peppa and George and Grandpa Pig.
Welcome aboard, me hearties. Full sail. Peppa, ring the bell.
Alright, Captain Grandpa.
Grandpa Pig and Peppa Pig and George have decided to go fishing on Grandpa Pig's boat. Let's help Peppa catch some fish. Oh, this is a little bit tricky, says George. Oh, that's okay, says Peppa. I'll try my best to catch some fish. Whoops! Let's try again, Peppa. Oh, this is so much fun, says Peppa. Oh, I want to have a turn, says George. Okay, says Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is very good at sharing. How about you stand right here, George, so you can go fishing. Let's count how many fish George can catch. Let's try, George. Oh, it's a little bit tricky. Oh, that's okay, says Peppa. You just need to practice, George. Oh, nearly there. Oh. Oops, nope. Let's try again. Oh, this is very tricky, says George. There's another fish. That's one fish for George. I'm getting really tired, Peppa. Do you want to help me? Asked George. Sure, says Peppa. All right, it's Peppa's turn again. Oh, Peppa and George are very good at sharing and taking turns. Whoa, one. Oh, this is her second fish again. We only have 3 fish left, says Grandpa Pig. Oh, nearly there, Grandpa Pig. We're nearly there. I'm getting really tired, says Peppa Pig. Oh, that's okay, says George. You can do it, Peppa. You're very good at catching fish. Thank you, George. Oh, yep, hooray! I think there's one more fish. That's right, says Grandpa Pig. One more fish, Peppa, and we get to go home. All right, let's catch this fish. Oh, let's try again. This is a very stubborn fish. Nearly there, and oh, yay, here we go. There's no more fish in the lake. All right, let's count and see how many fish Peppa and George have caught. Let's count and see how many fish they have caught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Do you want to practice counting with me again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, guys, perhaps at home you can play fishing or count from 1 to 15. Have fun playing. Bye.